Good afternoon, my name is Andrea del Carmen G, and this is my oral practice of the Unit 2 in my English subject, and the name of my teacher is Ernest Mesa Hernandez, and the purpose of this video is do a monologue using used to and simple past. Well, I'm gonna start saying that I think that I am the kind of person that always wants to try a new thing. So since I was little, I like to try new things, sports, um, soccer, basketball, uh, maybe some some activities more artistic like dance classes and this kind of things. But I remember that when I was 3 years old, I used to take ballet classes, and I didn't learn so much about it, but I used to do something that my dad and my teacher called estrellitas, and and I love this. It's like an acrobatic movement. So I remember that I used to do this movement every day, in wherever, in the kitchen, in the living room, in the bed, and my mom used to tell me, Andrea, don't do this. It's dangerous. And yes, it was so dangerous. And maybe I didn't understand this when I was a kid, but now I understand that it was so dangerous. Um, then I used to take swimming classes, and I love it. I love it, the swimming classes, because I love the water and the ocean, the beach. It's amazing. and and I remember that uh, my teacher's name was Lulu, and my teacher used to make a cheesecake, and I bought a piece of the cheesecake when the class finished. Uh, then I used to take belly dance classes. Well, it was like for 2 weeks because I was afraid about the teacher, and maybe the reason was that the teacher was my first main teacher, so I was afraid about it. Uh, Maybe if I continue with this activity in the present, I could move the hips like Shakira, but no. uh, After that, I used to take aerial dance classes, and I love it. It was my passion, and it is my passion in the present. I don't take the class anymore because I take English classes. So are the English classes are in the same hours than my dance aerial dance classes. Sorry. Uh, so well, but I used to practice. I used to practice these classes, this dance, like 3 hours per day and 6 days per week. So I really love it, and I remember that I never was like tired. I was happy. I was happy because I love it, and it's so sad and I miss so much my dance classes, but it's okay. And I think that maybe I could return to these classes. And the last activity that I used to do was I used to play basketball with my friends in the primary school. uh, and it was so funny. Uh, and that's it. It was all my these were all my activities, and that's it. And well, in this video I try to be more relaxed, and I am so nervous, but I try to be more relaxed. And my English teachers tell me that when you want to talk in English, you need uh, be relaxed and don't think in Spanish and traduce to English. Only think and speak, and I try to do this, but I'm so nervous, and I'm sorry because I'm not so serious, like I said in the past videos. But it was my oral practice, and in conclusion, I think that English is so important for our future, and I don't like it. And I don't like it English. I don't like English, but it's okay, and I understand that is uh, one of the most important. I don't remember how to say it, but it is one of the most important things that in the future could help me with my career, with my job, and that's it. And thank you for paying attention, and that's all. Thank you, teacher, and blessings.